Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Bhutan's operation against insurgents. Recently, King of Bhutan met with Indian PM after a historic 3-day visit to Assam. This visit came after a period of tension caused by Assamese insurgent groups establishing bases in Bhutan. These Indian insurgent groups, including the United Liberation Front of Assam, the National Democratic Front of Bodoland, and the Kamatapur Liberation Organization, had been pushed out of Assam and Bangladesh, leading them to set up camps in Bhutan's southeastern forest. Initially, Bhutan attempted to address the issue through dialogue with these groups, but the presence of the militants became a serious threat to Bhutan's sovereignty and national security. It disrupted development projects, economic activities, and compromised the safety of people in Bhutan and Assam. As a result, in December 2003, the Royal Bhutan Army conducted Operation All Clear. It was their first military operation in 140 years, with assistance from the Indian Army. The operation targeted the militant camps and was successful in capturing or killing around 650 insurgents, including several high-ranking members of the militant groups. The operation's success helped to restore peace and security in the region and was a decisive step in reinforcing the strong bilateral relations between Bhutan and India.